A cautious optimistic start on cards, but we suspect bulls will manage to lift Nifty bit higher. Key 3 headlines. 1. The Fed's ambiguous stance on a potential December rate cut. 2. Lack of clarity in the ongoing US-India trade negotiations. 3. Muted Q2 earnings season from India Incorporated. Our call of the day suggests that the session is likely to see intense back-and-forth action, with bears resisting every upward move, keeping volatility elevated. Technically speaking, confirmation of strength now only above 26,107 mark. For Tuesday's trade, Nifty 25927 will act as big hurdle. Bottom line, sentiment still fragile, the battle for directional clarity shall continue, and Nifty remains caught in a narrow range, wavering without conviction. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1884 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 3516 crores. Nifty sentiment is likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals suggest overbought zone. FANO November month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,000 and 26,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has spiked towards 12.66 levels. At last check, USD INR, November, was trading near the 88.87 levels. Nifty PCR, 25th November, is at 1.12 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 25th November, is at 0.93. Nifty outlook. For now, it seems Nifty's all-time high of 26,277.35 may have to wait a little longer, with traders expected to adopt a cautious, wait-and-watch approach and perhaps with negative bias. Nifty, CMP 25763. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 25,429 on closing basis. Immediate interweek resistance is placed at 26,107 mark on closing basis. Range for the day is likely to be between 25650 and 25900. Bias for the day is negative. Sensex, CMP 83978. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 83,121 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 85,300 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 83,400 and 84400. Bias for the day is negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 58101. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 56,600 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 58,600 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 57,500 and 58,500. Bias for the day is negative. Stock market news. In yesterday's trade, Nifty plus 0.16% after a cautious start struggled to move higher, and the positive takeaway is that Nifty snapped a two-day losing streak. Well, dark cloud cover seen on Dalal Street. Stocks in spotlight. Near-term cues to watch include Q2 earnings. Tuesday, 4th November. SBI, Mandem, Adani Ports, Adani Enterprises, Indigo, Indian Hotels, Paytm, Suzlon Energy, Escorts, GRSE. Wednesday, 5th November. Sun Pharma, Grasim, Aurobindo Pharma, Blue Star, Delivery, Piramal Pharma, BEML. Our stock markets will remain closed on Wednesday, 5th November 2025 on account of Guru Nanak Jayanti.